Say hi, Andy.
Hi.
What are you looking at?
It's a view.
Unfortunately, they can't see the beach. This is from our balcony. Little bar. Way down there. The beach. There's only a few lonely nutters on the beach now. It is now, I think, 7 or 8 o'clock. And we're going to explore, aren't we, babe?
Yeah.
So say bye, camera.
Bye.